Next-gen Everest boasts a modern and bold new exterior design that showcases the vehicle's inherent capability. A wider track and longer wheelbase have not only improved the stance of the next-gen Everest, but also its ride and handling, making it more fun to drive on and off-road. C-clamp daytime running lights and new matrix LED headlamps with glare-free high beam, dynamic bending, and more give you better visibility at night and won't dazzle other roadies. LED tail lamps with a full-width graphic give Everest a modern and premium look. They also hint at the wider liftgate. Ambient lighting complements the premium finishes inside the next-gen Everest, bathing the interior with a beautiful glow. Everests that are fitted with a moonroof now have more headroom than ever before, thanks to improvements in interior packaging, which have also added more elbow and legroom in the front and back of next-gen Everest and made it easier to access the third row. No bother if your hands are full. Everest has a powered liftgate that can be raised via the key fob, a button on the door, or hands-free via a sensor underneath the rear bumper. A range of premium petrol and diesel powertrains will be available for the next-gen Everest, including a powerful 3-liter turbo diesel V6. The 360-degree camera offers a split-view display to help with parking in tight spaces. Whether you're driving on or off-road, the next-gen Everest has a drive mode to suit every situation. They are normal, eco, slippery, tow haul, and sand and mud ruts. They adjust everything from gear shift to ABS calibration, throttle response, traction control, and more. Next-gen Everest comes with a specific tow haul mode which holds gears longer when climbing. It also comes with an optional integrated trailer brake controller. Customize the instrument cluster to show the information that matters the most, including turn-by-turn navigation. A new front camera view helps you pick a path off-road, and a dedicated off-road screen shows driveline and diff lock, steering angle, and much more. Engineered for adventure, the next-gen Everest will help you explore the road less traveled, even if that means you've got to get its wheels wet. Don't like parking? Well, that's no problem. Next-gen Everest's enhanced automatic parking functionality allows it to handle the steering, acceleration, and braking, and it even can drive itself out of a tight space too. Ford's latest generation infotainment system is now smarter and more responsive to your voice. Has all the information you need right at your fingertips and boasts wireless smartphone connectivity. So there you have it. The next-gen Everest is designed and engineered to look good not just inside and out, but to be comfortable, capable, and smarter than ever.